In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view an email password in Outlook on a laptop. If you need to check a saved Outlook password on your computer, one of the easiest ways to do it is through your browser's saved password settings. This works when the password was previously saved in the browser, and it can be especially helpful if you've forgotten it, but your device still remembers it. Just make sure you're doing this on your own laptop or a device you're authorized to use, since saved passwords are sensitive information. To begin, open your web browser. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This menu gives you access to your browser's main settings and tools. From there, click Settings. After the settings page opens, look for the section related to autofill and passwords. In many browsers, this area stores login details that have been saved for websites you've signed into before. Click Autofill and Passwords, and then open Google Password Manager. Inside Google Password Manager, you'll see a list of saved accounts and websites. At this point, you need to locate the Outlook account or Microsoft-related login you want to check. If you find Outlook in the list, click on it to open the saved details. Depending on your browser and device security settings, you may be asked to verify your identity first, for example by entering your computer password, PIN, or using fingerprint access. This is a normal security step designed to protect your stored passwords. Once the entry opens, you should be able to reveal the saved password and view it. If your Outlook account appears there, this is where the password can be seen. Now, in some cases, Outlook may not be visible in the saved passwords list. If that happens, you can try checking another saved account just for example purposes, so you can understand where the password would appear and how the password display works. The process is the same. Click the saved account, verify your identity if prompted, and then reveal the password. Keep in mind that if Outlook is not listed, it usually means the password was never saved in the browser, or it may have been saved under a different Microsoft login page. So if you don't see it right away, check carefully through related entries. That's the full process for viewing a saved Outlook email password on a laptop through your browser settings.